In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play an MP4 video in VLC Media Player, step by step. VLC is one of the most popular free media players in the world, and the good news is that it supports MP4 files right out of the box. Whether you're new to VLC or just want to make sure you're using it the right way, this guide will walk you through all the easiest methods. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software how-to videos. All right, let's get started. First things first, open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon on your desktop, searching for VLC in the Start menu on Windows, or opening it from your Applications folder on Mac. Once VLC is open, you're ready to play your MP4 video. Now, there are 3 simple and reliable ways to play an MP4 file in VLC, and I'll quickly walk you through each one so you can choose the method that works best for you. Method 1 is drag and drop, and this is the fastest option. Open the folder where your MP4 video is stored, then click and hold the MP4 file and drag it directly onto the main VLC window. As soon as you drop it in, VLC will automatically start playing the video. This method is perfect if you already have VLC open and just want to start watching your video immediately. Method 2 is using the right-click option. Go to the folder that contains your MP4 file, right-click on the video, hover over Open With, and then select VLC Media Player from the list. VLC will launch if it's not already open, and your MP4 video will begin playing. If you use VLC often, you can also set it as your default media player, so MP4 files always open in VLC automatically. Method 3 is using VLC's built-in menu. With VLC open, click on Media in the top left corner, then choose Open File. Browse to the location of your MP4 video, select the file, and click Open. VLC will then load and play the video. This method is useful if you prefer navigating through menus instead of dragging files around. Once your MP4 video is playing, you can control playback using the buttons at the bottom of the VLC window. You can pause, play, skip forward, adjust the volume, or switch to full screen for a better viewing experience. VLC also lets you fine-tune playback using features like playback speed, subtitles, and audio tracks if your MP4 file includes them. If you ever need precise control, you can use the frame-by-frame button to move through the video one frame at a time. This is helpful if you're reviewing footage or trying to stop at an exact moment. When you're done watching, simply click the stop button or close VLC. That's all there is to it. As you can see, playing an MP4 video in VLC Media Player is quick, easy, and flexible, with multiple ways to get the job done. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.